Alright, so what's up, everybody? Today in this,
Malik has me in his basement!
today in this video,
I'm in his basement!
today we will be, doing sewers. Come here, boy. Nah, I've had enough. I have had enough.
And also, subscribe to Coco AC.
Stop.
Well, like I was
Okay.
saying, subscribe to Coco AC. Best channel.
And me
Out
too. Yeah. So guys, we will be doing sewers. It's down here, right here. Sewers.
Blah 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 blah.
Cash, you can't fit inside there. You can't fit inside there, bro. What?
Don't say congratulations, but you know they want that.
Bro.
They trying to sell me. I ain't funny. If we talking money, I want to be the rich.
Alright, Cash, let's go. Come on.
I wanna.
Coco, let's go. Dude,
Coco.
Marie. Come on. Alright, Cash, let's go. Red. Yeah.
Wait, which way? Oh.
Bro, it's over here. Bro, it's over here now, bro.
Hey guys, donate to him because he's kind of getting broke, and we're doing this video because
Yeah.
he
Josh,
needs money.
Don't say anything else. Don't say anything else.
Call Daisy Wentworth. 877
Alright, guys,
cash
come on.
now.
Come on,
Oh, yeah,
Cash.
you didn't fall in. That would have been better.
Alright, Cash.
Holy
Oh, yeah! Ah, nice! Okay.
Mimic?
Oh, it's a mimic. Cash, where are you?
Why are you still going after me? I didn't even hit you. That's bull. That's actually bull. That's racist.
That's racist. Dude, that's racist. Cash,
He likes cats. He doesn't like cats. Wow.
that's crazy. Cash, hand it over, bro. Hand it over, bro. I need some of it. Bro, I need some of it. Please. Bro, Cash.
You should have got one.
Alright, Cash, come on, let's go.
Your fault.
Find the exit's not here. I think we have to go to the Mimico. Oh, to the Mimico, to the Mimicos. Cash, it's a Mimicos.
Follow
No.
me.
Cash, wait. Oh, here it is.
Told you. Lots of big bomb
Right,
boys.
can't grapple. Wait, bro, he's over here now. Cash, kill him.
Free. I'm so gay.
Watch out!
Oh, I'm so gay.
Yeah, you are.
I swear I got my first ever skill point right here.
Okay. Cash, we didn't ask. Come on, bro. It's taking so long. Alright, let's go. Alright,
Like I'm an animal company genius. You're not
okay,
even.
we're heading in. Let's go. Over here. Oh no, wait. I can grapple on here,
Oh,
bro.
I used to fall every time on this. Oh.
Wait, Cash, do you have a grappler?
Yeah.
Alright, we're good.
If you spell applesauce with a B, you
So,
can call it
Cash,
applesauce.
I think it's I think it's it's this way over here.
That's what you were talking about, Malik.
Yeah, Cash, it's over here, I think.
There are just different tunnels that lead to different things, Malik.
Come on. This is the long way.
Malik.
Let's go. Alright, we're here.
Oh, this one was easy for me, but the other one was not. If you spell applesauce with a B, you can call it applesauce.
Wait, did he die? He died. Okay, let's restart this, y'all. Let's restart this.
I died. I forgot that you can't grapple in the middle. That's kind of stupid.
Alright,
I forgot.
okay, so, okay, let's,
Can we
restart
do a
this.
mines run? I hate how you can't grapple.
Alright,
And
sure.
who wants a shiny bug crack? Banana.
Me,
Banana.
I do. Ooh, banana. Banana.
Banana.
Banana. Alright, okay, so, I
We're
guess
gonna do mines now. You.
yeah, okay, so, we changed it up, and now it's mine, so I guess,
Yeah.
this is good for me, because, I am in need of bro, RPG? Why that? Why do we need that?
No reason, Malik.
Oh, wait, Cash. Let's go to the, underworld. The underworld. Alright, Cash.
Malik.
Bro, Cash, it isn't necessary. Bro, this is not necessary. Cash, it's not necessary. It's not necessary. This isn't necessary, Cash.
Oh, come on, Malik. Let's go to the sewers.
Yay! Wait, no,
not
mines.
mines.
Mines. It's mines.
I'm a little heavy.
Alright.
What happened to the zip line?
The zip line. Well, we're gonna see if it's. Oh, Cash, come here. It's not long anymore. Gosh, it's not
Kinda weird.
long anymore. This is good.
Wait, Malik.
Yeah, Cash, hold on. I need to do something. Gosh, none? Bro! What was that? Bro, what are you doing?
I got another one.
On another one? Bro.
Pop.
Golly. That's unnecessary, bro. Wait,
No!
Cash. What? Oh, you fell down to the bottom? Oh. Okay. Light 'em up. Yeah. Light 'em up. Okay, go. I'm gonna need of this.
I'm about Mercedes.
Wait, whoa. This is new.
What do you mean? It's not new.
Yeah, it is.
That's new.
I'm trying to, Cash, look at that, bro. That's straight weird. Oh, he's dead.
You spell applesauce with a B. You call it applesauce.
This is it? No. Oh, and not a single one? Not a single one, that's so crazy. Wait, Cash, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Gosh, where'd you go?
What?
Where'd you go?
I'm just gliding
Cash,
because I know the movement.
Chris, go to the underworld.
Yeah, I still think.
Yeah.
I think I still broke it.
No, I broke it.
Like even with bit only, I'm still broke
I broke it again. Come on. Let's go over here. Let's go this way.
You
Down here.
Applesauce. Could call it. Ooh, applesauce. Like you're producing trash for quite a bit. Go kill him.
Where is he? Where is he?
They're over there.
Come on. We're doing it together.
Like I don't have a damn thing. That's great.
You don't have what?
I have a grapple.
Bro. Why not?
didn't bring one, but I still got some nice little
Oh
movement.
my god, bro, you need a grappler.
Said I needed one.
I did.
I got
Cash,
movement, bro.
I think we're going there.
We are.
Alright. Alright, Cash, wait for me.
Mario's at the tunnels.
Just follow the path, I guess.
I'm waiting for you.
There he is.
Bye. We.
I forgot what
Where are you? Oh, hi.
Here's what the girl did. Those were the good ones. Who wouldn't know about those?
Like, these were the good days. You wouldn't know, because you're new to the team.
Oh, over here.
You don't know. This was my first ever video posted. Was here.
Oh, really?
This was the OG. This is my favorite. You were new. You came when the map got revamped.
No, I didn't.
You kind of did.
Oh, I hate this place, bro. Gotta find it.
What do you hate about it?
Gotta find it.
I don't know.
If you spell applesauce with a B, you could call it applesauce.
Bro, what are you singing? Alright. We're almost there. Bye! Bye! Alright, Cash.
My favorite right here.
It's a place.
Oh.
I'm gonna go into bed that. Uh-oh. Cash, help. Cash. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Cash, come on, let's go. What you waiting for? What?
Don't die.
Ouch. How do I beat it, man? I can't find it. Where is it?
How much is that, but I'm too crazy for that, bro. While you're in the grapple, I got an umbrella, bro. That's not movement.
I'm gonna get over. Time to hop on. At least again. Ooh, we made it! And we made it out. Let's go.
Alright, here. Go to the portal.
Cashy. I beat it. I am at the portal now.
I was still in here.
Oh, you were? Alright, go to the portal.
I'm going in. I love that.
That was cool. Where'd you go?
Yeah, like you've seen it when it was OG. That's when it was cool.
I should have seen it when I was an OG.
Yep.
Okay.
Only the real ones now.
Alright, Cash. Where now? Weird.
Forest. Yep, forest.
Alright, let's go forest, man. Go to the forest. Wait, chicken coop? Yeah, cause Cash, this is chicken coop.
No, not that.
Gonna have to go. Oh wait, Cash, hold on. Cash, hold on. I need to get a flashlight.
Blake, come here.
What?
You want mine? Here, take mine.
Wait, you got a flashlight? Okay, bro.
Clip it.
Wait, Cash, hold on. Yes. Right away. Oh, Cash, where are you? Alright,
Down here.
Cash. Up here. Alright, let's go. I think it's over here. Nope.
It's over here.
There it is. Alright, let's go. How is she spawning? I don't have a light.
She's not spawning, that's just how much she makes.
Let's go deeper in.
I think it's in this one.
Yeah, yes, that one. Alright, got the key. Alright, got it. Oh, come on.
Well, damn. So I can't see. Alright, we'll go.
Alright, let's go. Okay, so, oh. Alright, let's go. It now works. Come on. Don't put your
I think
face.
that lobby was a glitch.
Yeah, it could have been a glitch.
Did you ever post that video?
No, I didn't post it.
No.
I didn't post it yet.
And also the blue ones cost more, so
What?
let you know about that. The blue ones cost more. Just trying to let you know that.
Alright, so, let's mine the, blue ones, I guess, then? Alright, back them up. Cause we need some money.
You need a money.
Yeah, I need money. Like, nuts. Bro.
Forgot about that.
How are you glitch? Come on, Cash, let's go.
Come in.
Alright, let's go.
There used to be ore here.
Okay. See.
Oscar, there used to be ore there.
Cash, hold on.
There used to be a heart gun right here.
Heart gun. Oh.
There used to be a heart gun right there, and also the area
Bro,
that we just
Cash,
got
look at this.
teleported from.
Bro, Cash, look at this. Look at that goober.
Alright, yeah, but like I'm trying to have
Alright,
already.
alright, let's go.
Where's it?
So, kind of
I remember doing it this way, trying to escape this backpack.
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, my eyes. Me eyes. Me eyes, they burn. My eyes burn. Ouchies.
I think we end the video here.
Yeah. Alright, let's end it. Alright, so we kind of beaten 2 maps. So let's stop the oh, come
You're
on.
flipped around now.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's stop the
I'm a little upside down here, but I can't.
here. So see ya.